Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make a lot of money solo. Very hard to make 500k per month in the service business, for example. A lot of successful solo affiliates do like 50 to 100k per month. Now look, most affiliates, they're always underground. They never want to reveal their tactics, and when they are revealing the tactics, most of the time it's actually outdated. So with this guy right here, he claims to be making like 100k per month in profit using only free traffic methods. So I did some digging, right? He talks a lot about like free traffic methods. Most of them are like a bit scammy. So I did some digging and I was like, what are some actual free traffic methods that are gonna help you actually get affiliate sales? So in this video, I'm gonna show you like an entire step-by-step plan. So even if you've never made money online and you have no money, then this should actually help you. So let's just get started. So look, I don't really like wasting time. So this is how you do the whole free traffic method. Now the first step is get product. Once you get the product, you just make like a quick website. I'll show you how to do it for only $9. That's why this video is called Affiliate Marketing with only $9, because it's not really zero, even though it's like a free trial, but whatever. And then you write an article with AI, and then you bring free traffic, and then hopefully at the end, just money, that's it. So to find your product, just go on ClickBank and click on this thing right here, and then just look around all these products. Now, honestly, I wouldn't even overthink it because all these products right here, they're doing good, and they're doing good for a reason. So just literally sort them all by gravity, like from high to low, and then look at anyone you like. So the one that we're going to use as an example, only as an example, okay? Wait, this one's actually a new one, Billionaire Brainwave. That's pretty cool. But anyway, so the one that we're going to use is this one. It's called His Secret Obsession. Now, this one is about relationship. It's like how to get back like with your man, or how to basically get a man to like become addicted to you and stuff like that. Regardless of what it is, we're only going to be using it as an example. So this is the product that we're going to pick. So let me just show you real quick when you actually click on it. This is what people are going to be able to see. So this is like the page that you're going to be leading people to. Now we have our product. We just need to make like a quick website. So the website builder I'm going to use is this thing called Ghost. By the way, this is not sponsored by Ghost. So just so you know, it does cost $9 per month, or like 9 USD per month. You can do 25, but honestly, I would just do $9, like not more than that. But just remember, it's like when you actually do the $9 thing, there's like a 14-day trial. So technically it's free, but it's still $9. So just click get started and then name the thing whatever you want to name it. So I don't know if you can know, like Mrs. Noodles. That's the publication name. And it's like, what's your publication about? We like noodles. Something random, okay? It's very random. And then continue. And then basically pick creator and then continue. And then just put your email address and the password. Now that once you do that, so just put like your card details as well, even though they're not really going to be charging you until like the 14 days end. And then once you're here, then you can actually start building the website. So like just like write your first post and then write like the actual article. Now the article that we're going to write, I'll show you how to do it using chatgpt. You don't even have to write anything. You only just use AI and that's it. So let me just show you the prompts that I used to write like this entire article. So let me show you. So this article from here all the way to here. And then once you get this from ChatGPT, just basically come and then put it here, and then basically you're done the article. Now again, we just made like a quick website. So once you make the quick website, just write the article with AI. So let me show you how. Now I went up to ChatGPT and I was like, listen, we're gonna be writing an article. I'm gonna provide you with 2 article examples, save them for later use, don't do anything. After the examples in the following prompt, I'll give you the information about our product. Obviously, our product is the one that we picked from ClickBank. So I was like, okay, absolutely clear. And then I basically put like this article right here. So this article was actually one from like here. So this one, I literally took it from here. So all I did was just like I copied and pasted, okay? I didn't really do anything different. But the only thing that you want to make sure is don't be copying this stuff right here. So like copy and then paste and then come back and then copy and then paste. So this is exactly what I did right here. So this is like the whole article. And then you keep going down. So don't be confused if ChatGPT gives you a response like this, where it's like summarizing it for you. Don't be confused. So I went and I was like, this is the second article. And the second article, I actually just took it from here. So once again, all I did was just like copy and then paste. And then come here and then copy and then paste. That's all I did. So it's nothing really confusing. And you're not even actually using your brain so far. And there you go. It's like copied the whole thing. And then this is example 2, save it for later use. And then ChatGPT was like, okay, boy. And then I was like, okay, that's good. So now here's the information about our product. Save it for later use, don't do anything. And then I was like, His Secret Obsession. Now, if you don't know like any information about the product, all I actually did is just go on Google. I just typed in His Secret Obsession and then article. And then I went down and I was like, this website right here, outlookindia.com, is such a behemoth for all these affiliate offers. Like they've written an article about every single affiliate offer. So I just went on it and then basically summarized it for you right here. So I just copied this thing and then I stuck it down right here. And then it was like, okay, I got it. Like I'm good. And now this is where like the long prompt is going to happen. So this is where we're actually going to write it. So I was like, amazing. Now let's finally write the article, act as a copywriter, and write like a 1,000-word article for his secret obsession. And then it's just basically like a bunch of blah, blah, blahs and all that stuff. I'll write this whole thing with things that you fill in the blank in the description. So like I'll put it in like a Google Doc. So then you would basically put the same prompts that I put, and then you go down, it's like all these things, and then ChatGPT, all it did was just like write it. So it wrote the headline, which is right here, and then you go down, it stopped writing, so I'm like, okay, continue, and then you go down, and then it talks, and I'm like, continue. What happened also as well is that it was writing and writing, and then it gave me like a network error. So I basically just had to refresh, and then I come back, and I was like, continue, please. And that's pretty much it. So then we take this whole thing, and then we just put it right here. That's it. So I'm not really going to show you like exactly how to make the whole website, because that's going to take way too long, because I want to show you the method that no one has so far has actually showed on YouTube. And it's a free method too. So once you have your website with the article, now you take the link for the article. Obviously, you want to make sure that like the link for this is like within the article. So you see, it's like whenever like ChatGPT is saying like click the link here, like for example, it's like click here to secure, or when it's talking about like the actual product name like this, like just within this thing, the ghost, like the website builder, try to actually put the link for the affiliates right here. So like a secret obsession, and then put the link right here. Because if you don't do it, like people are not going to be clicking on your link, so you'll basically be getting no sales. So make sure you actually like put the link. I'm not going to show you how, because like even the baby knows how to do it. I don't know about every single baby, but like my babies better know how to do it. Now, once you're done, this is the part that I think you guys are waiting for, right? So go on Google, and then you see how our product is basically talking about like love. So go on Google, right? And then just search up love. That's all. Just search up love. And then basically like go down. So you see how like Wikipedia is right here, and then it's like IMDb is right here, dictionary is right here, Netflix is here, but Wikipedia is here. It's literally number one. Click on it, and now look, you see how it's like there's like a bunch of links right here. Like a bunch of links, right? And then it's like talking about everything on earth about love. So go down, and then if you look right here, you could see there's like external links, right? There's like this link, you can see I've already actually clicked on them. So click on this link actually, just click on any one of them, just basically see what they are. So these are links that are not actually Wikipedia. Now, the whole point of this method, this free traffic method, is that we're actually able to edit Wikipedia. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to edit this specific section right here, and then just put our link in it, and that's it. Now, let's just say our link is basically this. That's not our link, obviously, but we're just pretending. So we go to Wikipedia, and so this exact page right here, we can't really like edit it just because I think it's like one of the biggest pages right here about love. So what we do is we look for like keywords right here that are talking about something that's like love related, but also at the same time it's talking about something that's like relationships related. So like for example, like romantic love, just basically click on it, and then once you're here, once again, like go all the way down until you find like the external links, and then while you're here, you can see it says edit source. So we click edit source, and now we're able to actually edit this entire page. So then as you can see, it's like I can literally click like this and then click enter, and now I can add like another link. So I'm just gonna call it something like, what should I call it? I'm gonna call it how to, so ChatGPT was like unlock the secrets to a lasting bond. Okay, so I can just literally say how to secret for romance. That's pretty good. And then obviously just like edit it in a way where it actually looks like the other one right here. So usually it's actually italicized, so I can just italicize it, and then I can just basically put a link. So like the link that I'll put is the one that I literally just, like I told you, it's like this is the page, this is our website. Just get the link to the article that you're gonna like write right here, and then just put it right here. So then click done, and then that's it. Like publish. That's literally it. So click, this is a minor edit, and then publish change. And I was gonna tell you, it's like, oh, just put the captcha. Okay, the captcha. That should be it, right? Unless I'm blind. I don't think I'm blind. All right, that's good. That's actually it. And then look, it's right here. Do you see it? Okay, now let's just like pretend like, okay, this is the first time we actually come on it. So we refresh. So I just literally refresh. Like I'll just refresh once again. We refresh, and then we go down, and then I'm right here. Did you see me? So click on this, and so this is our website. The website that's not even done. It's not even done, man. But that's our website. So let me just go on it on like incognito to see how it looks, and it looks like nothing because we're not done. But this is it. Like this is actually it. Do you see this? This is such a crazy method because Habibi, like so many people go on Wikipedia every single day. Google loves Wikipedia. Like you just saw, we just searched up love, And then literally like the first one is Wikipedia. Maybe because I clicked on it, but I don't think so. But I did say like love wiki. So like if we just remove that, okay, so the Merriam-Webster is here. But then the Wikipedia is right here. And that's beautiful. So then let's just say, for example, relationship, or no, let's just say X wiki right here. So it's like X in relationship, this one right here. So if we just go down, all right, this one's a bit odd. Or like X girlfriend. Okay, let's click on that. Well, actually, no, it's actually ex boyfriend because we're marketing to like women. So like ex boyfriend, and then yeah, it's right here. So you go down, and so if you don't see there's like external links, they say that's actually a good thing because what you're supposed to do, just click right here for like edits, and then if there's no external links, then you add an external link. That means like this is such like an underrated like article because like a wiki because no one's put their link here before. So all we do is just like insert paragraph. Hold on, I'm gonna redo that. I don't think you saw it. Let me show you. So like right here, just insert paragraph. And so we're gonna put like, for example, so we're gonna make it like this. So we're gonna write external links. And so just like highlight this whole thing and then go here and then just do page title. So as you can see, now it actually looks like an external link. So then we're gonna edit it, right? So we're gonna put a bullet list. I don't know why I'm so excited for this. And then the same thing. So it's like how to get back with your ex-boyfriend. And then once again, like we highlight it and then we italicize it and then we stick the link right here. Habibi, this is so beautiful though. And then publish. And then obviously like you have to do like the captcha and stuff. All right, let's see. Am I blind? I don't think I'm blind. Drew Pena? Yeah, Drew Pena. And that's it. Your edit was published. So then, wait, where did I even put this on? Little Dicky, this discography. What even is that? I don't even know what I put it on. But I guess it's still here. So then just refresh. Let's see if it's still actually here. Okay, yeah, it's still here. This is crazy, man. Because, bro, like Wikipedia gets so many visitors. Now, again, this is like a free method, right? So what you're supposed to do is like try to look for a bunch of keywords that relate to your thing. So let's just search up Wikipedia. So like ex-boyfriend, so ex-relationship, this one. We already looked at this one actually, but it's not really showing. Oh, so this was like a song about ex-boyfriend or something. Okay, so this one, not really. So how about we just say something like relationship? So then what you can do actually, just look at all these like the keywords that they have right here and basically try to find something that's actually similar to your product. So nothing's really similar to the product here. So how about something like, well, if you don't know how to actually find the keywords, just literally go back to your thing, just write his secret obsession article, and then look at like all these things. So like, for example, this Medium article, this was actually posted 18 days ago, which is pretty interesting. Just find about like what type of things they're saying. So like attraction stage, okay? So then we go back to Wikipedia, and then we just do the same. Actually, not this one. We'll go to this one. So it's like attraction. Attraction to transgender people? Not that one. Maybe, I don't know, like just attraction, general term. Let's look at this one. So like sexual attraction, whatever. Let's just click on this one. And then you see like all these things right here. So look, this is like an actual good page. So we go down, and then we could pretty much, oh, so this one sucks because you can't actually edit it, which is pretty sad. I don't have permission to edit this page. Maybe because it was like that big of a page. But this one you can forget about it. Like no need to actually like edit this one. There's like a bunch of more keywords that you can do. So like for example, we look for keywords like within this thing right here. So like sexual desire. Maybe this one's good. Well, this one, can you edit it? Yeah, this one you can actually edit it. So we go down, and then this is good because there's actually no external links. So we just click here, and then we start to add our own external link. Now you see how it's like this? If it's ever like this, just click here and then click visual editing, and then you'll see it's like now it's actually a lot easier to edit. But once again, it's like you go down and then insert like a paragraph and do the same exact thing. So external links, and then maybe just like press enter on it, and then the same exact thing. Nothing's really different. And then we just put the thing, like we just put like a whatever, like the headline you could say. So what should the headline be? Because this one's about like sexual desire. So I guess you could say how to reignite your sexual desire, just like that. And then we do the same thing. So it's like you italicize it, and then you just stick the link in, and that's it. I'm not gonna stick my link in just because I'm not really sticking like a proper link. So I don't want Wikipedia to ban me because I'm not putting proper article links. But again, like you are gonna put the article from ChatGPT right here, and then technically like you're gonna have like an actual article link. You're gonna have like an actual link. But yeah, like this is such a crazy method. Now the only reason why I shared this with you is just because in the affiliate marketing world, such methods, they get saturated pretty fast. So this one is definitely going to get saturated pretty fast. So what you're supposed to do is like just use it as fast as possible. This is like free free traffic from like a page that's actually trustworthy. Now, what's gonna happen too is that when you do have like your website and stuff, and your website is gonna be good, what's gonna happen is that because Google can see that Wikipedia is being linked to like your website, like your article, then Google is gonna start linking your website, like the article is on your website, higher on the SEO, like higher on the Google page, which is insane. Like it's just like a double win. But yeah, so then your whole goal is just to look around like all these like words right here. So like I don't know, like sexual tension. You can pretty much see if this is like an actual Wikipedia page that you can actually edit. So again, like click right here, and then once again, like if you see a page that doesn't really have external links, that's a good thing because that just means it's super untapped. Now, a few things are gonna happen once you do this. There's gonna basically be like you could say like jealous business owners that are gonna come and then edit the page and then basically just remove your link. If that happens, it's okay. You're not really gonna get banned. Another thing is that, like, the Wikipedia volunteer people, they're gonna come and then they edit the thing, and once again, they're gonna come and basically remove your link. If that ever happens, it's okay. It's not something bad. There's like a bunch more keywords, like this one, sexual frustration, and then once again, it's like you edit it and then you add your link. So there's like a bunch of keywords that you can use to just add your links in. And if anytime they come and they take away your link, that's okay. Just come back and add it. But that's the crazy part about Wikipedia, because Wikipedia, like, it's a page that's owned by the community. So the community is who actually edits this whole thing. But right now, you're just basically taking advantage of it to get traffic into your own website. But now listen, like, your website is supposed to actually be helpful. Like, your website shouldn't just be empty like this. I just did this just for like an example. But like, your website is supposed to be something that actually provides value for people. Because once again, it's like if it's not really providing value, no one's really going to care about like what you're really saying. And what's beautiful too is that this also does work in like competitive niches. Like the niche that I showed you right now is the love niche. That niche is so competitive. But yeah, so this is like the whole method right here. Once again, I only use like this product as like an example. You don't really have to go into like this niche. There's like a bunch of other products right here that you can like basically get into. Like, for example, if you just look at other ones, like this one, Java Burn, that's basically about weight loss. This one's about weight loss. This one's about weight loss. So this one's about like wealth manifestation. But like a bunch of them are about weight loss or how to make money or just how to get love in your life. And that's pretty much it. The whole strategy is you get a product, you make a quick website, you write an article with AI, and I just showed you how to do it really fast, and then you bring free traffic from Wiki, and then money. It's a beautiful method. So I hope this is very helpful, and if it is helpful, just let me know.